What up, dudes? Welcome to another video. Today we are doing a little toe strap on the back of the car. Shout out to Wing It STI. His name's Trevor. Messaged him about this. He showed me this strap that you can put on when you have a single exit. You can do it on the opposite side. Hang down a little extra style. Looks cool. I'll leave the link below, and the website URL will be right here if you want to order it. These are sweet and really simple to use, and it comes with the bolt. And surprisingly, there's already a hole underneath the bumper to where you can put it to, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright, go ahead and grab your strap and put the bolt through it, and then literally right here there's a hole like it was made for this. Stick it through and put the nut on the other side and go hand tight, and then I'll get a wrench and snug it up, but that's pretty much it. It hangs down from right here. I got the silver one. There's red, black, silver. There may be a blue one. I need to go double check, but the website URL will have everything.